Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best commercial door closers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Olide DSW 120 door opener, closer for residential, commercial spaces. This automatic door closer whose manual push force can be basically adjusted via the handheld programmer. It automatically reopens the door whenever it realizes that there is some object on its closing path. With its hand programmer, it will be very easy to set all the parameters that you need. With this door closer, you will attain a maximum opening angle of up to 120 degrees. It also operates on a 24 volts brushless motor that has a very low power consumption. Another good feature of the product is that it does not make noise during operation. In case you experience any issues with this door closer, you will be helped by the USA technical team via the phone. Moving on at number 4, we have the FORTSTRONG door closer, automatic adjustable closers. This one is a versatile and automatic door closer that has been designed for areas with medium to high traffic. It is therefore ideal for use at home, the light office uses, sheds, branches among other areas. You will be happy to learn that the fitting instructions are actually included in the package, so you will not have any issue with that. Additionally, it comes with installation videos in a bid to make the process as simple as possible. With this door closer, it will be possible to adjust it according to your needs based on the traffic and the speed with which you want the door closed. Its quality aluminum construction on the other will make sure that it serves you for the longest period possible. This product comes with a full warranty and a complete refund of money in case you feel unsatisfied with the product. At number 3, we have the Lawrence Heavy Duty Door Closer. This is yet another commercial door closer that will never interfere with your opening and closing of doors. It, therefore, means that the doors will open and close very slowly for a graceful entry or exit. Given that the door is hands-free, you will just leave the door to do the job for you. The manufacturer has also made in different finish options so that you can choose what suits you. Another feature that you will find convenient about this door is that it can be easily adjusted. That, therefore, means that you will be able to set it in a way that suits your needs based on the traffic experienced on the door. Since it comes with the needed certifications, you should have enough confidence to buy. At number 2, we have the Dynasty Hardware Commercial Grade Door Closer. If you are looking to open and close your doors in the most convenient way, you will definitely want to invest in this automatic door closer from Dynasty Hardware. You can comfortably use the door closer for the right or left-handed doors so long as they are within a weight of 143 pounds. Additionally, it comes with independent latch speeds as well as valve control, making it more convenient to use. Being made of quality aluminum material, you can rest assured that this product will serve you for a long period of time. You also should not be worried about the durability of the door closer now that it comes with a manufacturer's warranty for 5 years. The fact that it comes at a very pocket-friendly price, on the other hand, means that everyone will afford it. And finally at number 1, we have the Fortress Hardware Company Door Closer. This one is a heavy-duty and commercial door closer that will be very effective for the high-traffic areas. You will be pleased to learn that it has actually passed more than 2 million test cycles. Another thing that you will like about this product is that it comes with an installation guide to make sure that you save time as you try to fit the door closer to doorways, entrances, and other high-traffic areas. This door closer also offers up to 6 adjustment levels, meaning that you can control the closing speed and sweep motion as you want. Its quality construction is the other thing that you will notice about it, which allows it to resist corrosions and rust for longevity. Additionally, this is a risk-free purchase where you are assured of a refund of money in case you are not satisfied. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.